Hello guys, if you want to see how I got this final product of Gizzard suya slash Gizzard kebab, keep watching. Good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Egbe and today in my kitchen I'm going to be making Gizzard suya slash steak meat. So basically it's a Gizzard steak meat, but I'm going to also be using suya pepper to grill my Gizzard later. So the ingredients I need for this is, well, the number one star of the day is the Gizzard. I'm using turkey Gizzard right here. So I'm going to be cutting this into two, and I'm going to be using this bell pepper and onions when I put it in the oven later, and the tomatoes over there. And for my condiments to spice my Gizzard, I'm going to be using salt, nutmeg, chicken knorr, and thyme and curry. And later when I put it in the oven, I'm going to be using that soya pepper. And I already have my measurement all out here, and that's 1 tablespoon of knorr, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of nutmeg, a tablespoon of thyme, and a teaspoon of curry. All right, let's go. So okay guys, you can see I already cut my Gizzard into halves, and now I'm just gonna put my condiments in there. So, and that was the salt, the nutmeg, and thyme, and the curry. Just gonna kind of stir it together. And you can see I put a little onions. That's just optional. So I'm gonna put this on the stove and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not letting it cook all the way because when I bring it out, I'm going to be putting it back in the oven anyway to, you know, have the soya pepper roasted all the way. All right, see you in a few. All right guys, so I'm just going to show you I slice up my the tomatoes and bell pepper. So I'm just going to cut like that. So I'm going to cut it in two, and I'm going to take out the middle. I don't want that, so I'm just going to leave that right there. So that's how I want it. And I'm going to cut out the middle like that. And this is good like this, so just going to cut that in two. Into this one too. See that I've sliced up my tomatoes and my yellow bell. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I slice my green bell. So just gonna make it. And these are going to be in between the Gizzard. Just gonna leave that right there. I'm going to show you for my onions too. So I'm going to do. So and for my onions, I'm just going to kind of peel it off, and it's just going to be a layer at a time. So all I need is this in between my Gizzard. So all you do is just cut up a chunk like that, a layer at a time, and this is gonna go in between. That's it. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by so my meat was already cooked for about 15 minutes, and you can see I already started the arrangement. So I'm going to start by putting my Gizzard. I'm going to poke a hole with a stick through my Gizzard like that. I'm going to bring it all the way down to like somewhere like so. So I'm going to go and put a green pepper, and I'm going to put another Gizzard like that, and I'm going to put my onions. I'm going to put another gizzard. And you know, you guys can play with this arrangement, you know, make it look beautiful, you know. So I'm gonna put my yellow pepper and my tomatoes. You can see that like that. Then I'm gonna put another gizzard. So, you know, the arrangement you want to do is totally up to you. And it's just like that, you know, nothing extra fancy. Okay guys, so I'm starting another arrangement now. And I was gonna say, if you know, if this is gonna be like for a party or people coming over, you can just put on gloves. You know, you don't want to be touching people, you know, everybody's food with your bare hands like that. So you just put on gloves to make it more sanitary. I wash my hands though, so, and this is just gonna be a house meal, you know. And this can be used for, say, like an appetizer when you're having a party. You know, you have friends coming over, you don't have time to make anything extra fancy. You know, you can just do this and you know, serve, you know, a soft drink or wine, you know, whatever you have in the house, and this will be very presentable. All right. Okay guys, you can see that I already have all my gizzard kebab stick ready, so I'm going to just put my suya pepper, so right there. You can see my suya pepper right there. I'm just gonna sprinkle that on them. I promise you, this is gonna be delicious. Okay guys, so I already put the soya pepper on my gizzard, and I'm going to head over to the oven right now and put it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, I've preheated my oven at 325 degrees, and I'm going to leave it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. So these are my gizzard, so I'm just going to line them up in there like that. Careful so you don't burn yourself. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes and I'm going to take it out of the oven now. Okay guys, this is the final product of my gizzard suya / gizzard kebab, and it's a very delicious appetizer or just a finger food that you can serve to your guests or share with your family at home. Well, thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. To all those that have subscribed, thank you very much. I truly appreciate you. For all those leaving likes and comment, I truly appreciate everything you do. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.